Yo, man. Hey, look, back with another video, man. Hey, what I've been telling y'all, man, I'm trying to get big jobs, man. So today, man, we out here, St. Lucie County. We like the airport. I guess they got, man, y'all gonna get on me, but I call them airport, the plane station things where you put your plane in, a hangar. Yeah, they got hangars out here, man. So shout out to my homie Capri, man. Hey, Pre, one time for you, man. Hey, he got me this job, man. His buddy needed some house washing done, man, and you know, call us only one and only, man, this boy, man, and you know, they got us pressure, he got his pressure washing thing in Pompano, man. So shout out to them, man. They doing their thing in Pompano and in Atlanta, man. He got big things going on, man. Hey, one time for you, Pre, man. But check this out, man. Look, you know, we gotta have that sign up, baby. We gotta have that sign up. But you see this property right here? There go the hangar right there. There go the house. This gate right here, you see this? We gotta get all this transformed, man. All this transformed. And they got a gate over there as well. We gotta transform that gate. We gotta try to do something with this ground. Put the camera on. Gotta try to do something with the ground. And man, and we have to hit the roof. House wash. Gonna wash the side of that. Let's get over here and let's see what we got. What's up? This hangar out, man. Yeah, we're gonna have to do a lot of this. See all this stuff? Gonna have to get this off, man. Nothing to a big guy. Nothing to a big guy. We're gonna have to get up on this roof, man. Let me show y'all what we got on the roof. So this is what we got on the roof. Right here, man. That's how the roof looking, man. See if I can get it up a little bit more. That's how the roof looking. Was gonna downstream it, but I may have to hit a little stronger chemical, man. Metal roof. See all this stuff? Gotta get that off. Yeah, nothing now, but so we gotta do that. Look at this, man. Nice property, baby. Look at that. Let me get off this ladder, man. Let me get down real quick, then we're gonna get back some more. In addition to that, like I said, we gotta do this building. Gotta get this whole building done, man. Yep. Look at all this. That's gonna be out of there. I'll say goodbye to them. So, a lot of rust over here. Check this out. Got all this rust over here. We're gonna try to get all of this back there. Get all this done, man. And then we got this house. Now, the main thing on this house, you see up there, we're gonna have to get that, but we'll get that when we get the roof. Know what I'm saying? There go the hangar, and the front of the hangar. We ain't gonna look inside, that ain't none of y'all business. So we just gonna leave it like that. Yeah. So we're gonna have to do all of this front, man. You see them gutters? We'll have to get those gutters cleared, man. Nothing to it, it ain't nothing, trust me. All this, we're gonna have to get all of this cleared, man. We're gonna do this whole, we're gonna do a whole makeover in here. Gonna have this thing looking right. We're gonna get this door looking a little better, man. You know, all this, man. Hey, I'm gonna tell you something, man. I'm gonna show out on this one. They gave it to the right person, boy. I'm gonna show out. There go the front gate. We gotta do that one. I'm gonna hit that for him too. I go to Little Lake. You know, see, all the way up there, we're gonna have to soft wash that. We're gonna hit that with the soft wash, man. We're gonna get that nice. See, that's the airport thing. You know, the planes, where the planes go. Got more houses over here, hangars and stuff. Some of y'all from St. Lucie County, you might know where I'm at. But see all this, man? Ooh, wee. I love it when they dirty like this. I love it when they like this. So we're gonna get all this and we're gonna get inside the patio. The back patio don't look too bad. It don't look bad. It's just mainly these up here. We're gonna try to get it. I'm gonna try to stay away from those fans. So yeah, let me give y'all one more look. Check it out. Yeah, so you know what, man, I'm gonna get this thing cranked up, man. Y'all ride with me, rock with me, man. Oh, let me show you something else, man. We're gonna have to strip some stuff, man. All of this need to be stripped. All this need to be stripped. So we have, look at this, yeah, man. Look at this. I'm trying to tell y'all. So we're gonna use this for the strip. Shout out to Rusty, man. Rusty gave me this to strip that thing down, man. Quick strip. So, you know, I'm gonna let my water fill up, man. We're gonna get this thing filled up. We're gonna get started, man. I'm expecting about probably like two days, I'm guessing. gonna be me by myself. So, hey man, nothing but love, man. Y'all, hey, check this out, man. We finna transform this. Woo, woo. This boy gonna look good, man. I'm trying to tell you, boy. I'm excited, man. Feeling real good, man. Hey, let's start this work, man. Yo. Right now, I'm just wetting the roof down right now. Wetting this bad boy down.